Tops and bottoms for me, based sa performance and the runway. Breathing, definitely high. Suki Doll, ang ganda ng look niya. I think for me, siya yung favorite look ko. Pero yung performance niya kasi medyo safe. But I think kaya naman. Actually, tingin ko pwedeng mag-top ulit si Venus eh. Like, yung performance niya bilang Sister Mary Grace, the nuances, the face and the hair, the changes, she was there all throughout. She's giving me like, if you've seen season 14 ni Lady Camden, yung sa Mulan Rue, na she was there throughout the whole thing. Similar yung role ni Venus doon. And I think she did it justice. She was there the whole time. Agaw eksena siya with her wig changes. Yung bigla na lang naging short hair. And the look itself. Kasi like, it's like a montage ng mga faces niya as a painting that turned into like a shawl or whatever this thing is. So, may chance na mag-top ulit si Venus. So sinabi ko, Brigading, Venus, Suki, Arizona. Sila yung tops. And then, ang hirap, ang gagaling nila. Medyo nakulangan ako kay Siam and tapos nagka-malfunction yung outfit niya. Maganda yung concept ng outfit niya. I like it's original and it's very cultural. Pero yun nga, yung nahulog yung isang face. Yung kay Bernie, parang wala ako masyadong medyo safe siya pero dahil hindi ako masyado na-impress baka pwede rin siya mag-bottom. So I'm thinking Kitty, Bernie, Siam. And then the three in the middle are safe. Ay hindi, nasa high din si AC Arizona eh. So Yua and Kiana are safe for me. Actually, magaling din si Kiana. Ang hirap! Ang gagaling ng mga pambato natin. Nakakainis. Okay, let's be decisive. Venus and Briggs, the Divine Divas, ang top 2 ko. Tapos kung tatatloy natin si Ari. And then, kung tatlo ang bottom, Bernie, Kitty, Siam. And then safe, si Suki, si Yua, and si Kiana. Let's see.
When I call your name, please face the wall.
Face the
No. Brigading.
top,
Kitty Space.
bottoms.
Bernie.
Mukhang tama ako. Oh my God!
Arizona Brandy. CM Pussy.
Kasi sabi na, safe in dalawa eh.
Venus Deluxe.
Yes. Tama ako.
Queens, you are the tops and bottoms of the week. The rest of you are safe.
Sayang. Nagigil
Please
ako.
head back to the workroom and on top and face the wall. Yes.
Ang ganda ng look no kay Suki. But yeah, the performance kasi.
Now for the judges' critique.
The look saver.